Good morning guys, in front of me is Xiaomi 15T Pro, and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. So at first, enroll the settings, then find and select Google, and as you can see, you can sign in smoothly by tapping on sign in. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, otherwise you will not be able to log in with your account, and then provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. So in my case it's email address. I can just re-enter it, as there's kind of unknown issue, but now it should work properly. So once phone number or email is entered, mark next, and it's time to enter the password. And once the password is entered, just click on next. Now customize this account, so just mark if this device belongs to you or to your hero, mark next, tap on I agree. Obviously you can read those terms of service before, but still you have to agree with all of them. Now you can decide if you wish to activate your backup or no. I'll skip it for now. And here you can provide your phone number if you wish to, however, it's not necessary. So that's it, that will be all. The account is added. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.